Hi all, welcome back. My name is Tosfai. This is a continuation of the series of Oromo in English. In my previous video, we have seen how to write and read actually Oromo, where the sounds are soft, and also we have seen some examples about the strong sounds. We will go on to the next section, which is reading strong sounds. We have discussed in the previous lesson or video that we have seen these examples where um, soft and strong sounds can be clearly seen, like in these words, like hatu, which is soft, hatu, this is strong. Um, it is strong. We call it strong because the sound ta is deep here. Hatu, hatu. So when it is deep in our speech, we, when writing it, we make it double, and that double is double the consonant double because that ta sound is strong. Hatu, hatu, hare, harre. As you can hear, ra sound is strong. Caalaa, callaa, aadaa, adda, faaya, fayyaa, najaallata, najaallattaa. So those consonants which are doubled are very strong when we read or when we speak them. They're very strong on our tongue. That's why we call strong or deep sounds. We have seen soft sounds like those in our previous uh, video, and I also have given you some exercise to do. This is the answer for the exercises. This is the some the you can check your answers. Maqaa, afur, jaalala, fira, laga, oromoo, deemi, tarii, bareeda, suutumaa, suutumaa. Check your answer and put your comment. If you get 10 out of 10, 9, 8, and so on. And in this video, as I said, is about strong sounds. Strong sounds are where we hear deep consonant sounds when we say them or when we read them, like in hattu here, harre here, callaa, adda, faaya, najaalata, najaalata. So najaalata, sorry, that's the first one, najaalata. So the if I tell you the meaning here, it's also very very different. Hatu means stealing. Hatu means a thief. Hare means clean or cleaning. And harre means a donkey. Chala is a name of a person. Challa, challa means an harvest, a product, or it's also mean a change for currency. Ada, this is a type of flower. Ada, this is a flower during the months, especially in September and October. And Ad means unique, different, or it is also refers to forehead. Fire means beauty, decorations, and like that. Faya means health, health. This two, Najallata means he loves me. Najallata, he loves me. Najallata means you loves me, you love me. Najallata, najallata. In some cases, na will be the first na could be written separately, but most of the time people write like this. And these are the other examples we can see in here. As I said in my previous video, we don't have a strong sound at the beginning of Oromo words. No strong sounds. But strong sounds can come at the first, or can come at the third, or anywhere like this, repeated anywhere, but not at all at the first sound. Let's read this. Ganna, na. Listen to the na sound. Ganna, ganna. It is not gana, but it is ganna. That's a strong na. Hattu, we have seen that. Hattu, damma. Listen to the ma sound. Damma, it is not dhamma, it is damma. It's very strong. Kottu, kottu, it is not kotu. If it is soft, it is kotu. There is no word kotu in Oromo. Kottu is a word. Lammi, it is not lami, it is lammi. Lammi. Abidda, abidda. Bilisumma. Kutattu. The first ta is soft. Kutattu. The second one is strong. Kutattu. Kutattu. Biyya. Biyya. Dubbisu. Ba is strong. Dubbisu. Tattaaffii. Tattaaffii. It is not tattaaffii, but it is tattaaffii. Tattaaffii. Qawwee. Qawwee. Obboleessa. Obboleessa. Naannoo. Naannoo. Na jaallattaa? As a question. Na jaallattaa? Here was just a statement. Na jaallatta? But here is a question with one additional, because it's long here. Long sound. Na jaallattaa? Fayyaa. Harree. Damma. I repeated that word, sorry. Damma. Damma means honey. I will come to the meaning later on. Better to tell you as well the meanings. Bakakkaa. Bakakkaa. Wallagga. Sorry, Wallaggaa. It's long. We could in talks we could also call Wallagga. Wallagga jira. Wallaggaa is also possible. Qeerroo. Buddeena. Buddeena. Sirrii. Guddaa. Arba. Farda. You may be wondering why the last two are also part of the strong sounds. If you listen to arba, farda, ba is strong here, da is strong here, but they are not repeated. We will come to that rule later on when we deal with silent and semi-silent sounds in Oromo. But we don't repeat them if the previous word doesn't followed by a consonant, sorry, a vowel. We don't repeat the strong sound. We will come to that rule later on. So let's go one more and tell you the meaning. Ganna means summer. Hattu, I already told you that is a thief. Damma is honey. Kottu means come. Lammi means a citizen or a relative also. Abidda is fire. Bilisumma is freedom. Kutattu means brave. Biyya means country. Dubbisu means reading. Tattaffi means um, um, being active, being being strongly actively doing something. Kawe is a gun. Obbolessa is a brother. Nano is a region or somewhere. Najalatta, that's a question. Do you love me? Fayya means health. Harre, if you remember, that is a donkey. Damma, that is honey. Bakaka is what's called bakaka is a thunder. Kero is a youth. Budena is an Oromo food specialty dish. Sirri means correct. Kuda means big. Arba is an elephant. Farda is a horse. For this, I'll give you some words to say like before, and ready to write those. Write these words. Number 1, limu, limu. All of these words have a strong sound somewhere in it. Limu, limu. 2, soda, soda, soda. Sorry. 3, sadate, sadate, sadate. 4, rabbi, rabbi, rabbi. Number 5, tuwe, tuwe, tuwe. Number 6, yakka, yakka, yakka. Number 7, dirre, dirre, dirre. Number 8, bode, sorry, bode, bode, bode. Number 9, furri, furri, furri. And then number 10, sorry, to be, to be, to be. My advice is listen to the previous soft no sorry the previous videos on short and long sounds. They also are being used in this strong soft and strong uh, um, writing systems, so you have to also implement those short and long and soft and strong combined sometimes. Thank you very much. The answer for this exercise will be on the next video. Have a blessed day. Bye.